Howdy, my name is Ben Carlson. I work at Furnace Industries, and today we're talking about the Krukonogi Pancake. This is a dry tooling hold that features a channel behind a small edge here, and you can see the pick just kind of engages kind of like that. What's great about this hold is that you really got to think about this. You really have to be on point. So when you're placing it, you can't be oblique to the hold because you're just going to go whipping off. So this one you have to really think about, really challenging. You get really good really fast with this hold. So this is the Krukonogi Pancake.